What's up out there, YouTube? Double D with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. We're going to do a different kind of project today because, well, it's November in Kansas, which means it's cold and windy. Looking forward to the next 4 months of that. At any rate, to start off the winter, we're going to do a new project. So we are going to do a ice cream scoop. So we've got this Wood River ice cream scoop kit. So we're going to make that, and we're going to turn this red piece of resin for the handle. What we'll then do is drill it out, put one of these threaded inserts into it, and that will allow the scoop to screw right into the insert and easily be removed for cleaning, things like that if we want to. So we're going to be doing that project today. Stick around and let's go have some fun. Probably going to run right around 1100 RPM on this one, at least to start, and we'll go from there. And since we're going to be working with resin, we'll use our negative right scrapers on this one, and go from there. A little bit of plastic polish. We're going to get that polished up pretty good before we part it off, and then work on that last back end. Let's do a little bit of trim up here before I start doing some sanding. Start with 60 grit because that's so rough, and we'll work our way up and then go from there. Alright, got the end all sanded up and smoothed out, looking pretty good. Of course it's dusty now because of stuff. So now we're going to get the parts put in so we can assemble it and be done. So these are the inserts. They obviously have a slit across here so that you can use a flathead screwdriver. The downside is with a flathead screwdriver, of course, it has to be big, and you don't want to risk messing anything up by putting pressure on it in inappropriate places. So what we're going to do is we have a specific tool for this, and we'll get this seated. This is what the tool looks like. It is a T-wrench, and all it does is it literally just screws right into this. So that way you're putting the pressure on the inside of the items and getting good pressure that way rather than on those two little parts that can then bend or mess up the threads. Alright, so we're back. I had to go get a little bit bigger drill bit. I'll need some sort of a tapping setup or whatever to get these in to the resin ones, but I drilled it out and then I secured it with some CA glue, the thick on there. So then what we're going to do is just take this ring and then we'll screw the scoop right into it. And we've got our ice cream scoop. It's got a little bit of an angle to it, but I don't think that's too awfully terrible. And there it is. We'll clean it up and have some beauty shots at the end. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you don't, hit the thumbs down. Please leave some feedback down below in the comments section. If you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. Share this with your friends as we continue to help this channel grow. Once again, this is the Wood River ice cream scoop kit from WoodCraft with a red resin handle. Thanks for watching.